Hello YouTube, welcome to a new synth anatomy video. Today I want to give you a review and my impression of the preenFM2 synthesizer. The preenFM2 is a DX7 style desktop FM synthesizer that is available as the DI kit or a sampled version. I bought my version 2 years ago on the music market here in Vienna for around €200, and something in advance, I do not want to give it away, I really love this synth. One of the highlights is that it shows a single FM synth, but in total 4, which can be played and operated individually. So preenFM2 is a multi-temporal synth with 4 parts, or a DX7 times 4. With the instruments button on the right side, you can select the individual parts. Too bad splitting the parts and mapping them on the keyboard is on the hardware not possible, but you can play it with 4 different MIDI channels, but it's also a powerful feature, with up to 14 voices of polyphonic, 8 if you have a patch with 6 operators. A quick look at the backside. Here you have a power supply input, a USB connection that allows you to load your patches, power the unit, and for MIDI, a stereo left and right output, and MIDI in and MIDI out. The synth is super compact and very solid. You can also take it on the road very well if you want to have a mobile hardware FM synth. To describe preenFM2 as a DX7 clone would not be perfect, as it's more than a one-to-one clone. Each of the 4 instruments features a classic FM engine with 28 different algorithms that range from 3 to 6 operators, with velocity and voice allocations. Further, you have 4 different index modulations, a mix and a panning section, a powerful arpeggiator per part based on the mutable instruments algorithm, and a slot with different filters and a gate effect. Next we have the operator section that features 7 built-in waveforms, ranging from saw, square, sine and more, and 6 user waveforms that can be imported from the internal USB drive. Especially this possibility to use own waveforms goes beyond classic DX7 synthesis. In this section you have also all classic parameters which are known from FM synthesis. Big minor point here, preenFM2 makes only linear FM, thus there are no operator feedback. On the next page we have for each operator an ADSR envelope with in total 8 parameters, like on the DX7 where some of them can be modulated. Also available is stereo panning at a carrier operator level. Further we have a 12-row modulation matrix with 16 different sources, ranging from 3 LFOs, 2 freq envelopes, 2 step sequencers, which can be also used for modulation, velocity, aftertouch, as well as 32 destinations like modulation index, operator frequency, filter cutoff, the attack and more. It says for hard for you on the Fini display to operate. You can also download for free the preenFM2 editor as its standalone or plugin version. Here you have a better overview of the complete engine with all the features. Further to know, the arpeggiator, sequencer are syncable internally and externally, and the synth supports custom scales. Another highlight of the synth is the internal USB memory, which is currently 1 GB, with which you can store thousands of DX7 patches. For example, I now have more than 3000 patches in memory, but there is still a lot of space. Since there are more than 30,000 free patches on the internet, you have a lot of fun with the preenFM2 as a DX7 patch player. If you want to discover something new, there is also a randomizer on board, with which you can generate new sounds. Also, we all know how a DX7 style FM synth sounds. Here are some patches. In total, I do not regret buying the preenFM2. It's a nice, small and compact FM synth with a lot of power. Although there are not many knobs on it, the operation is very intuitive and simple. Alternatively, you can use the editor which is available for free. Very good, I think, is the possibility to load the DX7 patches and new waveforms. The sound of the preenFM2 is very good, but it's not full of character like a DX7. It's cleaner and lacks something dirty. Nonetheless, he makes beautiful classic FM sounds. As already said, the lack of operator feedback is for me a major minus point of the preenFM2. For a price of €200 for the DIY version or €300 version for an upsampled version, you get a lot of FM synthesis power in a small box. preenFM2 is perfect for musicians who are looking for a desktop unit with which they can play FM patches, but also for sound designers who like to build their own. Short, yes, I can recommend it. It's a great little synth. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about the preenFM2? Nice, or do you prefer another FM synth? It would be cool to discuss with you. Big thanks for watching and hope to see you very soon in one of the next videos. Bye!